Hello, enthusiasts and newbies in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into the universe of digital assets, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to an exchange that's turning heads, blackbull. Blackbull is a platform that's been causing a storm in the crypto community since its inception. It's not just another exchange, it's a powerhouse where you can trade cryptocurrencies with ease and security. Here are some reasons why you should consider blackbull as your go-to for trading. 1. A wide range of cryptocurrencies. Blackbull offers a wide array of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, Litecoin to Ripple, and many more. This gives you the flexibility to diversify your portfolio and cater to your trading style. 2. User-friendly interface. The exchange offers an intuitive and easy-to-use platform that makes trading a breeze. It's designed with both novices and experienced traders in mind, so everyone can get started quickly without any hassle. 3. Advanced charting tools. Blackbull provides advanced charting tools that enable you to analyze market movements accurately, helping traders make informed decisions. These tools include technical indicators, historical data analysis, and real-time market updates. 4. High-level security measures. Security is paramount for any exchange, and Blackbull understands this. It employs top-notch security measures such as two-factor authentication, cold storage for assets, and SSL encryption to ensure your funds are safe at all times. 5. Excellent customer support. When it comes to customer service, Blackbull doesn't disappoint either. You can expect prompt assistance via phone or email through their dedicated support team 24/7, 365 days a year. Registering with Blackbull is quick and straightforward. Here's how you do it. 1. Visit their website at blackbullmarket.com to click on Register Now. Enter your details, email address or mobile number. 3. Set up a strong password. 4. Verify your account using the code sent by email or SIMs. 5. Start trading. Now that you know about Blackbull Exchange, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and join the crypto revolution. Remember to hit like if this video has enlightened you on why Blackbull is an ideal choice for cryptocurrency trading. If you have any queries or want more information on other exchanges or cryptos, do leave a comment below or send us an email at email protected. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to subscribe for more such valuable information on cryptocurrency exchanges and digital assets. Until next time, keep trading smart and keep exploring the world of cryptos.